Hello and welcome to Bma's Crafty Corner. I'm Bma, better known as Els, and this is Monday mixed media mini morsels. That's what it is. Um, so basically, I'm going to give you 5 mixed media prompts that you can use any way that you want over the course of the next week. You can put them together, use them in any order, use them separately, however you want to use them. And we would love to see your creation. You post it in our Facebook group. You can do that by going down to the description, and there's a link there. Also, all the way at the bottom of the description, you will find a link to my Google Drive where you can pick up this list if you would like to have the list for yourself. So I'm going to use the phone to randomly generate 5 numbers. Those 5 numbers correspond to 5 different things, and I will tell you what each one, a little bit about each one as we go through. Number 32, add ink. And then we have number 29, add blue. Number 13, add a border. Number 33, circles, spots, or dots. And finally, number 44, use chalk. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at these prompts and see what we have. So adding ink. Now this can be like a stamp or spray ink. Maybe you have drip inks, however you want to use ink. Adding blue, you could use blue ink, or you could add blue in any other way that you want. It can be fibers, it can be paint, it can be ink, it can be a marker, however you want to add blue. Adding a border. Now, a border can be, you just put some washi tape on it, or you paint a border on it, or maybe you have some of these like scrapbook type borders. You could use these as well, washi tape, any way that you want to add a border. You could go and poke holes all the way around it. That's what you want to do. Circles, spots, and dots. So obviously a circle is a circle. A spot is a tiny little spot. And a dot is even smaller. So circle, spots, and dots. Add them any way you want. You could use bubble wrap to do this. You could use a tube to do this. You could use the lid from something. And then use chalk. Artist chalks, sidewalk chalk. I don't care. Whatever kind of chalk you have. It might be school chalk, whatever, little pots of chalk, whatever you have, go ahead and use that as well. That's it. That's all I have this week. So until I see you again, stay well. Bye-bye.